If YouTube is always not recommending your videos, what that means is that you are going to actually find it hard to get watch hours, get views, and get subscribers on that your YouTube channel, which in most cases is going to lead to a situation where you are going to start getting depressed, or you just totally quit your YouTube channel. And I'm sure a lot of creators do not want to experience this ever on YouTube. So on this video, I'm going to be sharing some important settings that you need to go and turn on that your YouTube channel that can help you and take you from a situation where you are not getting any views to getting a lot of views on a steady on that your YouTube channel. And also, it's going to help YouTube to start treating your video way better, leading to better performance on your YouTube channel. Also, if you have any question at the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected to my channel, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis that can also help you to grow your own YouTube channel. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply go to your YouTube Studio dashboard. Once you get in here, go to your settings. Then once in your settings, click on Upload Default. Then go to the Advanced Settings section. Then, as you can see over here, you are going to see this category section. Now, I know that a lot of you might think that this thing that I'm about to show you guys right now is normal, but I assure you it's not, because if YouTube is to push your video to the wrong audience, you are not going to benefit from it at all. So let me give you guys a good example. Let me say, for example, you upload a video on your YouTube channel and that video is about YouTube growth, and then YouTube actually push that video to about 5,000 people that love watching, football clip and watching highlight videos here on YouTube. What do you think is going to happen? What's going to happen is that these people, they are going to watch your video. Either they are going to watch it for a few seconds, or they will scroll off your video because they are not actually interested in YouTube growth videos. What they came to YouTube to look for is highlight videos and videos that are related to football. So that's what is going to be happen. And they are even going to leave your video without liking it, commenting on it, or subscribing to your channel, because they are not interested in what you have to offer, because they are not the right audience for your channel. So this is why you have to fix this setting to make sure that anytime YouTube is pushing your videos, it's going to be pushing it always to the right audience so you can get good results. So all you have to do is just click in here and then select anyone that actually relates to your channel. So if your channel is about entertainment, put entertainment. If it's a comedy channel, put comedy. If it's about animation, film and stuff, put film and animations. Then if you are like me that is uploading YouTube growth videos and tutorial videos, then simply use this how to and style, because that's the right way for you to help YouTube understand what your channel is all about, so that when it's pushing your video, it's going to push it to the right audience, so your video will be resonating to them, and before you know it, they'll subscribe to your channel, they'll like, or they'll drop a comment, which is actually going to further help the YouTube algorithm to understand that, okay, for these people to be liking this video, commenting on this video, and subscribing to this video, it means that this video is interesting. And before you know it, the YouTube algorithm will push it to much more people, leading to much more views and better performance for your YouTube channel. Now, another important thing that you need to know, especially as a new creator, is that YouTube actually gather data about each and every channel on the platform. So there is no way that you just upload a video on YouTube and you expect that that video on your new channel is just going to get about 100,000 views or going to get 1,000,000 views just so easily when your channel is actually new. That is not possible, because YouTube do not even understand what your channel is all about or understand the right audience for your videos. And one thing about YouTube is that they always like pushing your videos to the right audience, or rather pushing videos of creators to the right audience. So the question now is, how do you actually feed the YouTube algorithm with enough data to make it understand your channel better? And the answer to that question is posting much more frequently and also sticking to one niche. So if you are the type of creator that will just upload a video today and the next time that people will see you on YouTube again is 2 months later, I'm sorry to say this, it's going to be very hard for you to actually even get subscribers or watch hours. It might even take years before you hit your 500 subscribers, because you are putting too much space in between each videos, which is going to make it harder for YouTube to understand what your channel as a whole is all about. So like I said earlier, the correct way to go about this, post much more frequently, and also at the same time stick to one niche, and before you know it, YouTube will understand what your video is all about, leading to higher views on your YouTube channel. Even I myself, when I started on YouTube, when YouTube didn't understand my channel, I was always getting like 30 views, 50 views, but I kept on uploading. But now if you look at my channel, you see that I even have videos of 2,000 views, 10,000 views. I even have other videos with 1,000 and above views. So that's just what I'm trying to prove. So the more you upload, the more YouTube understand your videos, and the better things is going to be for you. Another reason why you are finding it hard to get views, watch hours, and subscribers on your YouTube channel is as a result of poor optimization of your videos. And a lot of creators actually make this mistake because they put all their effort and all their attention into shooting their videos, scripting their videos, and also editing the videos. But when it comes to stuff like uploading the video and every other thing that comes with uploading a video, they just do it freestyle. Like they will just put any description that they can think of, put any hashtags, any tag, just do it anyhow they feel like, and think that they are going to get a viral video. But I'm sorry to say, if you're actually doing it that way, it's going to take a miracle for you to get a viral video here on YouTube. Because if you can put a lot of effort into scripting your video, shooting your video, and editing your video, then why not also put effort into searching the right description, hashtags, and tags that will actually work for your video. And there are actually a lot of options for this. You can actually use ChatGPT to get that, or you can use vidIQ, or if you don't want to use any of those stuff, you can just go into YouTube and then look at the big creators, look at the way they describe their video, their hashtags they are using, their thumbnail patterns, stuff like that, and then utilize that on your own video. And before you know it, you start seeing way better results on your YouTube channel. Now, I know that all that I said on this video, to some people, they might just say, okay, they are normal stuff, but they are not. What I just gave you guys are some keys that you can actually use to get better performance on your YouTube videos. So you go give it a try and come and thank me later once you start seeing better results, getting better views, subscribers, and watch hours on your YouTube channel. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it has been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there way faster and easier. Also, by now, I'm sure you will already be seeing some of my similar videos or seeing some of my playlists on your screen. So if you're having some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.